everyone, and you're so much welcome to today's tutorial. I still remain your shoemaking made easy tutor Odruli Majola, and today is going to be a very quick one, and we are going to be using this sole that is popularly called relax sole here in Nigeria to create this. Now all you need to do is to buy the already made sole, and of course get a pair of buckle, and you are going to get your leather, of course your adhesive, and that beautiful pin that I use by the side, and of course a bottle of your glue too will also be needed. Now let's quickly go into this. Are you ready? All right, like I always say, anytime you are creating a kind of footwear that you are not going to be stitching, ensure that you apply your adhesive on both the leather and on top of the lining separately before trimming out. This is one of the reasons why sometimes our upper looks so untidy and it's not looking like an excellent job, because you have your adhesive all around the sides. Please avoid this as much as possible. What I do is outline, of course, my patterns on the main leather as well as on the lining. I apply my adhesive on the two surfaces and then cut out my main leather first, then place it on the lining before I proceed to cutting like this. If you're watching for the first time, all we do here is make shoemaking easy and simple for you. I want to tell you, with all of this information, you will reduce your family expenses on footwear, create new income stream, and at the same time, you find yourself empowered in an amazing way, even in your creativity. So after we had actually trimmed them out, I located where the buckle should be placed. Somebody is wondering, how do I know where to place the buckle? Don't worry, I got you covered right in this video. So I'm going to place that. I'm going to be using my rivet to hold it down. So if you don't know what rivet is rivet. I actually encourage you to Google and check. Yes, because I have so many times show us what a rivet is. Oh my goodness. So the next thing, of course, this relax sole already has a shape, and it is this shape that will determine where to position, all of your upper. Now, the amazing thing is I have a PDF file that you can actually download. I've always said this is a pattern template. You will download it, you will print it, and then you will just trim that shape, that pattern out, and place it on your leather, and you are good to go. Where to place the buckle is already on it, so you don't have anything to worry about. Yes, $1 only, I tell you, and you have created this masterpiece at the comfort of your home. Wow, isn't this lovely? Come on now. This is really very lovely. Now, even without a shoe last, you can use your foot. If you are creating it for yourself, get to the market, get a relax sole, get a pair of buckle. Of course, you definitely need this pin. If you don't want to use this, you can actually get a screw and screw down that side. Some people always say no, they don't want to do that. They want it to hold down there. I've tried, different kind of adhesive and glue. It did not last the way I want, I must say that, and that's the reason I always try as much as possible to reinforce it with those beautiful pins. All right, I'm sure with this you can send us a WhatsApp message to actually access the PDF file. Like I said, it's just $1. So if you are in Nigeria, you are going to be getting it for 1,250 naira. It will be sent to your email. Just download it, print it, and hula, just place on your leather, and you are good to go. This is simply simple. Oh my goodness, God. Oh my goodness, God. You're not doing anything to the outer, so I'm going to see you in my next video. Don't